are happening. Maraming nahihinog na. At you will find out in due time. Within the month, marami kami ipa-file. Within next month, marami ipa-file. Pero mga tingin namin, mahihinog pa ng early July. Pa-file din namin. Pero tuloy-tuloy yan. Hindi tuloy-tigil ang trabaho dito. People go to work here every day precisely to attend to that. Kasi nga, yun ang trabaho namin. That's the job that we swore to undertake when we accepted our positions here.
Sir, kaunti lang. On the subject of the legality or the validity of the arrest warrant, would you like to comment on the conflict? If it's conflict,
There's a presumption of regularity based on 9851, Republic Act 9851. It is for the court to stop it because it's the executive's function to serve it.
Okay. Pero sir, yung sinasabi nila na parang medyo 9851 and then the Rome Statute of Article 58, 59.
Yan.
Wala yan.
The Rome Statute will not apply here as much as 9851. Because
Better than 9851.
wala na yung Rome Statute does not anymore apply to this case. This is a very purely local matter. Hindi ito nagpupunta sa ICC. Ito ay dito sa ating bansa.
Because we're not a member of it anymore?
Well, that's one reason. Yeah.
So-
But 9851 is the prevailing law. Is the prevailing law.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay? At yun ang mahalagang balita na inaanunsyo ko ngayon sa inyong lahat sapagkat kinakailangan kumilos tayo sa bagay nito.
OMB, gaano po katagal yung preventive suspension?
6 months, microphone.
Good afternoon po, Isa Umali po from DCWB. Ano po katagal yung preventive
6
suspension?
months. 6 months. Apa.
And nakausap nyo na rin po ba si Senator Sergeant at Arms Aplaska about
Hindi
this?
ko pa kinakausap. At, pero pinadala ko na ang order sa Senado para matanggap nila kaagad sapagkat ang usapang ito ay napakasilyosong usapan. Sa isang opisina na itinatag ng ating saligang batas,
Wireless ako.
ang mga pangyayaring ito ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. Lalo-lalo na na siya ay gumaganap bilang Sergeant at Arms at siya pa nagpaputok unang putok ng baril. It's worrisome if we allow this to go unpunished and just ignore it. We cannot ignore something of this magnitude.
Sir, good afternoon. Yanes Kapati of GMA News Online. Sir, yung 6 months preventive suspension without pay, would that be correct?
Ano yung nakalagay sa akin? Preventive
Without
suspension,
pay.
I don't know kung may pay or no pay. No pay.
No pay. Sir, meron ba siyang, given the preventive suspension,
ano yan
can he appeal it?
Pwede ka i-appeal yan. Kaya lang nag-iimbestiga tayo, hindi natin pwedeng hindi tayo pwede maglagay ng tao na maaaring maka-impluwensya sa mga bagay na kailangan natin mabungkal dito sa Senado. At syempre kaya nga tayo nag-preventive suspension para walang undue influence sa investigasyon. Kaya yan, yung usap-usapan sa CCTV, narinig natin, may sabihan na rin tayong in-issue para ibigay sa atin ang CCTV ng Senado nung gabing yon para makita natin ang buong pangyayari. Sana naman walang nawawala na footage sapagkat may mga allegations at mayroong mga nagsasabi baka tinago na yung mga CCTV footage. Sana naman walang cover up dito.
Hi Sir, Camille po from TV.
At ano yan, ang investigasyon ito, kasama lahat, kasama ang NBI dito na ating imbestigahan, kasama rito ang OSAA, kasama rin yung mga pulis na nagpunta roon sa lugar na yon para malaman natin ang buong pangyayari mula sa perspektibo ng gobyerno. Overall governance to. Ito yung executive department, legislative department, ay tayo constitutional body, kinakailangan ito na ang talagang tungkulin na binibigay sa atin ng saligang batas.
Sir, what about Senator Robin Padilla? According to General Aplaska, he was the last person na nakita sa CCTV na kasama po ni
Kasama yan sa
Senator
investigasyon.
Rosa.
Kasama yan sa investigasyon. Kasama siyempre si Senator Robin Padilla at hihingi natin ang versyon ng pangyayari sa lahat. Pati kay Senator Jingo Estrada kasi nga mayroong insinuations na sinabi niya na itago yung CCTV. Kung ano ang tono nun, malalaman natin, pag may nawala dyan, baka naman siya mapaghinalaan. Kaya gusto natin magpaliwanagan na.
Sir, may tuturing ba na obstruction of justice yung nangyari?
Definitely, no? Kaya hindi lang yan obstruction of justice, no? Yung discharge of firearms is disturbing. Yung paputok ng baril. Eh, nasa loob ka ng building. At ang yung pinuputukan ay law enforcement. That's so ironic na ang law enforcement, papuputukan mo na warning shot. Ano yun? Siya ba ang ano? Hindi ko alam, hindi ko naiintindihan saan sila nanggagaling sa bagay na yun. Kaming request, pero marami kaming binabantayan ngayon. We're guarding a lot of things. We're in constant touch with our investigators who are also in touch with the AMLA, with the Anti-Money Laundering Council, so that we are on the track of, we're trying to follow the money. Yung pa rin sa flood control, we're trying to follow the money. Yung pa rin. In the end, that's what matters here.
Konti lang sir, medyo na excited kami sa'yo. May laundry list na ako sir, konti lang. Yung SPRC sir, Blue Ribbon, binigay na ni Senator Lacson to. And
Yes,
there are
yes.
several recommendations there. How are you going to use the report?
No, we will validate everything. It's a guide to us. It's a guide for us to use.
Not necessarily adapt.
Not necessarily adapt, because we have to find out through our own sources, and of course, we have to follow the evidence.
So yung special panel of investigators which allegedly issued recommendations already, can we get an update on it? And if you're going to
What do you
issue
mean? What special
on
plan?
kay Speaker Martin?
No, basta ongoing ang work dyan. Ongoing ang work. It's a very active case right now. Every day, we're working on the case. Hindi kami tumitigil.
No subpoenas forthcoming?
We have issued subpoenas, but we're not revealing the persons in the receipt of the subpoenas. Because, let's put it this way. What we are up against is big money. We can afford all the lawyers and even their own private investigators. We want to throw a monkey wrench into the judicial process. So we have to play with our own by our own rules for us to be effective in this job.
Sir, kung may subpoena, may PI na tayo.
Andiyan na yan, papasok na yan dyan. Kasi yung subpoena power naman kahit sa fact-finding, we have subpoena powers.
Sir, Evan Alvarez po from UNTV. Balikan ko lang po yun sa PHDO. Since si Sen Cheese po meron ng PHDO, are we looking na rin po ba na mag-file ng complaint sa AMLAC para po ma-freeze yung assets niya?
No, we're on that. We're working our way through. Yeah.
Sooner or
Sooner than later.
So yung kailangan speaker sir, wala pa siya sa PI level?
Malapit na rin. Yung unang kaso niya, nandiyan na. Yung money laundering, nandiyan na. But there are other counts of money laundering that were filing before the other main cases that we filed. May main case pa yan.
So yung mga pending mo kay Sen Joel, Cheese?
Ongoing.
Okay.
Kaya lang, we don't want to get lost in the, we don't really want to gain out the noise of impeachment. Impeachment is a constitutional process. As we are a constitutional body, we give due respect to the process. Kaya ayaw namin makihalo sa ingay ng impeachment. But ito, wala kami choice. Kundi lumabas, kasi yung pagputok ng baril na yon at nagkaputukan sa loob ng Senado at nawala yung isang taong kailangan makausap ng accountability officers ng ating bansa at ng mundo, meron tayong problema. Diba? Kailangan lumabas kami dito sa bagay ito. Kung hindi lang nangyari sa Senate, hindi ako lalabas dito. Kaya lang, ito, urgent itong nangyari ito. Kasi nagkaputukan nga eh. Hindi natin pwedeng palampasin itong pagkakataong ito na merong taong sinasabi sa law enforcement, mapataas ako sa inyo, pakaputok ng baril sa kanila. Sino siya? Anong karapatan niyang gawin yun? Diba? Mas mataas ka sa law enforcement. Sino ka? Not even the president will do that. Who has the power? Not even us. Nobody here can say that or do that. And when you try to be above the law, then you have a problem.
Tapos on that, sir, ano po yung tingin nyo na dapat na mas naging akbang action po sana ng USAA dun sa sitwasyon na yun? Kasi even the...
They should have kept the peace. Ikaw unang pahuputok, ano yun? Di ba? Sergeant at times pa? Ikaw mag-uumpisa? Kung baga sa away, ikaw nag-simula eh. Di ba? You caused the commotion by discharging a firearm. Discharging a firearm is very dangerous. It could have hit somebody. Nasa first floor ka ng Senate. Di, sa level na yun, pag pinutok mo sa baba, may tao. Pag pinutok mo sa taas, may tao. Eh pag niricochet yan doon, di may tinamaan na naman. Buti na walang tinamaan. Hindi naman kailangan baril yun eh. Tsaka siya
accountable. Kasi parang ang lumalabas, at least dun sa version nila, is there was like no communication between what's happening inside the GSIS building and the Senate building. May accountability
may
na ba on the
naka-embed
part of the
naman na,
NBI?
may naka-embed doon na reporter. Nakita ko yung footage doon eh. At least we will subpoena the footages of all the networks and all of those who were present in the... Para naman magkatulungan tayo dito. Para maalam natin na, malaman natin na.
Sir, kailan po effective itong preventive suspension po?
Now. Effective today.
Sir, how about the senators who decided to be with Senator De La Rosa overnight? Kasi yung the
Ayun,
minority senator,
titignan natin
hindi
yan.
ba ano yun? Hindi
We
ba
have to-
liable
we have
din
to-
sila
we have to look at the
for
whole context.
obstruction?
Titignan natin yan sa buong context. Kasi nga, parang ano eh, parang maraming suspecha ang tao. Kaya natin ginagawa ito para maalay natin ang fears ng tao na magkakaroon ng whitewash o hindi tayo kikilos ang ombudsman sa bagay na to. Siguro tayo lang talaga ang pwedeng kumilos dito ng gusto na walang bias kasi, di ba? Ang problema rito ay may kanya-kanya tayong dahilan sa iba't ibang departamento, pero dito sa ombudsman, ito yung ating tungkulin na malaman at alamin at ipagbunyi sa tao, ipaalam sa tao yung mga pangyayari mula sa ating perspektibo.
Sir, good afternoon. Sir Joseph po sa GMA. Sir, how are you? Sir, una muna, I'll just pick up from your point. Sabi niyo po, it's worrisome na pag nilagay natin yung ganung klaseng tao dun sa in that position and in that power. Can we elaborate with reference to...
Santo.
Yung kanina po, kay
Plaska?
Apo, na parang
Hindi,
why
kasi
is it
nga,
worrisome?
Worrisome yun. Kasi nga, papuputukan mo law enforcement. Ano siya, mas mataas sa law enforcement? Is he higher than law enforcement? He's supposed to help the Senate maintain the rules of the Senate. Pero para maputukan mo ang law enforcement, ibang usapan niya. Hindi natin tinotolerate yung kanyang behavior. We do not tolerate that.
Sir, so technically, the ombudsman is conducting an investigation into what happened.
Yes,
no?
we already formed a panel. We're actually, muna may panel na yun. In the process, we're in the process of forming a panel that will be complete by the end of the day para mag-issue na kami ng subpoenas for next week.
As early as next week, sir.
So that's next week.
Okay. For what possible violations?
Marami eh. Di ba?
Obstruction, sir? Primarily?
Obstruction of justice yung isa sa mabigat dyan. Failure to maintain public order and safety within Senate premises. Tsaka...
So, pasok ba yung parang cuddling na criminal? Hindi ganun ba tayo? Cuddling?
Yun din. Aiding and abetting a criminal. Fugitive from justice.
At least 3, sir, no?
At least marami yan. Marami tayong makikita nitong gross neglect of duty. Marami yan. Marami. Let's throw the book at them. Kasi unforgivable para sa akin. Mahirap patawarin yung ginawa nila yan. Na nagpapatok ng baril sa loob ng premises ng enclosed building. Mas lalong delikado yun. It could have hit somebody. I'm sure yung mga kapatid nyo sa hanap buhay, yung mga kaibigan natin sa media, many of them were shell-shocked by the kind of ruckus caused by the gunfire. Hindi biro yun. Alam nyo, ang na-embed sa utak natin, sa consciousness natin pagka bumubutok ang baril. Walang may gusto nun. Walang may gusto nun.
Sir, would you like to comment on allegations or insinuations that it's a show na staged?
Well, we will find out. That's why we are conducting the investigation. There are allegations na ito ay ginawang moro-moro, scripted. Tingnan natin kung scripted ito. We will find out from the facts as we are able to gather everything properly.
Sir, last on the media.
So we will ask our friends from media to submit their own affidavits para ma-narrate nila yung pangyayari together with the footages that they took.
So parang announcement niyo, sir, considered na parang notice na to.
Yes, notice na rin sana yan sa mga kapatid natin sa media. Notice natin sa buong OSAA. Kasi OIC lang naman yan eh. Yung mga OSAA na career, I'm sure, meron din silang sasagot.